be. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move, rhythm talks and you listen. Coconut spelling the way you get down to business, yeah. Said I'm drawn to you and just can't get enough. Question mark, a mystery, leave them wanting for more. Caught me at first sight. I know that I could be the one to change your life. Worse off for better, pardon me, where are my manners? It's a pleasure to meet you, can't help but admire. Too high for me, we can't agree. What can you see me? Yo, empty feelings, no anesthesia. Sun-kissed skin golden, fragrance by ocean. The present is pleasant, time stands still frozen. Can I find the fine words? Yeah, you got me stuttering. But by the look on your face, I can see that you're loving it. Is it real or facade? Can I tell what you got on? What's good, yeah, what's up? What's the deal, like for one? Need some room for progression. Keep it simple, like for one. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can be. I see the way you move, dancing dirty Diana. You say don't get comfortable, I'm too hot to handle. Many promises but no guarantees. Just say to believe all that I can.
Now my sides are always my struggle pointers, so if you guys got any tips on how to keep the flaps down. video, and this is the final look of the actual Amazon wig. So I'm gonna give you guys a few pointers on the wig and what I think about the wig and what I dislike about the wig. So I'm gonna give you guys the actual cons of the wig, and then we're gonna take it on in with the pros, because you know we gotta end it off on a good note. So the cons with this wig is it's very thin, like paper thin. It may seem like it's not thin on the camera, but it's thin, and I really kind of sort of don't like that. Secondly, it sheds a lot, but I can bear with it, and that's the only two cons I got with this wig. Alright, so the pros with this wig is, y'all know if y'all been rocking with me, I absolutely love bobs. So bobs is my go-to because it shades my face really, really good, and I have a round face, so anything that's short, well, not like pixie short, but bob short, is basically like fits your girl face. Like it just hits different. Like the actual length of it came in jet black, and I thought when I got the wig that it was supposed to come into more of a natural color, but it was all black, which was pretty good for me. And the girl takes bleach really good, honey. She takes bleach good, because I went ahead and I bleached the actual roots, but I actually over bleached the roots. But I went in and use a actual spoolie and a semi-permanent jet black dye, and that actually helped me out really, really good. So your girl takes bleach real good, and also she's holding a curl. These curls have been in my hair for a whole hour. I just want to give you guys a look on how it looks with the curls being in my hair for a whole hour, but I don't know. I will have to see how this baby will hold up throughout the day instead of an hour. Now, if I can give this actual Amazon wig out of the scale 1 through 10, I will absolutely say I will give it a 7, due to the fact is it's too thin and it shed a lot, but on top of that I can work with it really good. And this is my actual first time actually taking my time doing a actual frontal, and I think I did pretty good, but I also want to get better as I'm doing my wigs. So this is the end result of the hair. I really like the hair a lot. As you guys can see, it's still holding its curl, it's doing its damn thing, it's, you know, giving what it's supposed to give. Do it even still say that? But this is the curls and stuff for the hair. I hope the curls in the back look pretty okay, but if they don't, they're going to some flexi rods tonight. But this is how we are looking, and I did not want to do, and this is a 13 by 9. I'll leave all the deets in the actual description bar. So I was just giving you guys my honest opinion and review on this Amazon wig, and I will leave the link below if you guys wanted to purchase. But girl, do what you gotta do, you know what I'm saying? And the wig was like $70-something, so it was kind of okay. But yeah, you see it. It's the company. Okay, y'all, so this concludes the actual wig review. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and yeah, I'll see you guys on my next, why am I folding my hands up? And I'll see you guys on my next video.